Hey guys, welcome back to another grocery haul. Today's grocery haul is at H-E-B. It actually ended up being closer to 3 to 4 weeks stock up haul. I think the last time we went grocery shopping was mid-January and today is February 15th. So here we are doing a stock up haul. Most of it is fridge stuff. I got just a few pantry things, literally like just a few things. Everything else was fridge, fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, meat, dairy, stuff like that. You know what I noticed? Oh no, it's right there. I was gonna say I'm missing something, but no, I see it. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right in. It was, I think, $369, $368 and some change, something like that, from H-E-B. I'm thinking the way that we've been eating, we've been doing Weight Watchers. I'm on the blue plan. I have a link down below if you would like to sign up and we can be Weight Watchers friends. It gets you your first month free. With Weight Watchers, I've been eating a lot more fresh fruits and vegetables. We all have, and so we've been blowing through them really quickly with 5 of us eating them. And I'm just realizing my grocery bill is like crazy. So between the meat and the fresh stuff, I was very shocked at the price. I thought for sure it was gonna be like high 200s, around 280, and it was $368. So let's jump right in and check out what we got. Okay, starting over here, Andres loves these black cherry Ozarkas. They're not my favorite. I'm not a huge fan of sparkling water. I do like the ones from Costco, but he likes these, so we got him 2 packs of those. And then over here, we ran out of sugar-free syrup this morning. We have regular syrup for the girls, but I like the sugar-free for myself. I think it's 1 point for a 1/4 cup. Regular ketchup for the girls. Fat-free mayo for myself. Well, when I say me, I mean Andres too, because he's doing Weight Watchers as well. Classic Bolthouse Farm Classic Ranch. I'm running low on this one. I still have the Caesar and the cilantro avocado. I like those ones, but I like the ranch the best for kind of all around. Picked up another one of those. This pasta sauce is only, I think, 2 points for 1/2 cup, which is a serving, which is not bad. It's the H-E-B brand tomato basil, so I picked up 3 of those. If you guys do not have the Fetch Rewards app, always, you can probably hear the girls and everything in the background, they're watching Dora. If you do not have the Fetch Rewards app, I have a code down below for you to download it for free. You get 2,000 free points, which is $2 just for signing up and scanning your first receipt. But we love the Classico sauce, the 4 cheese Alfredo, the Asiago Romano, and the roasted garlic. It is all 2 points for a 1/4 cup, which is really great if you like Alfredo. I've been eating it with shrimp and zoodles for a really low carb, low point lunch or dinner. And when you spend $8, you get 1,500 points, which is $1.50. So crazy good deal. Plus you get 10% back on the points of each of the products in general. And if your store runs a special on these, it's nice to stock up. So I picked up 4 of those. I'm going to be making the chicken bubble up again at some point this next couple of weeks. So it calls for fat-free cream of chicken. So I picked up 2 cans of those. Some On the Border salsa con queso. I think this is 2 points for 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use this in taco salads. Salsa, we're having salsa chicken at some point in the next couple of weeks. So I picked up an On the Border salsa. Hormel chili. And this is turkey, no beans. I'm not sure how many points this is, to be honest, but I've just been craving some like chili like this kind of canned, not so good for you type chili. And there is a way to make a 0 point chili for sure. You can totally do that. And I've done it before, but I really wanted something like this. So I got 2 cans of that. Some tahini, because we've been loving tahini on oranges lately. And so we picked up a big thing because we used our little thing super quick. Some no sugar added tomato ketchup. This is 1 point for 2 tablespoons. 0 points for 1 tablespoon, but I like it, so I usually count it as 1. Some paste, just the H-E-B brown paste, mild. That's 0 points as well. Some Kraft Light Ranch for the girls. The Dr. Pepper came free when you bought something. I don't remember. I bought something and that came free. So I picked up the Diet Dr. Pepper, the cherry. It's 0 points for any time. I haven't been drinking soda, but if I ever have a little craving, it's nice to have that. These little Nest pastas are super good. Nin let us try some the other day. This is a spinach one. It's 3 points for one little nest of pasta. So not bad, and it was a really nice serving size. I picked up some soups for the girls. Instead of top ramen, I did just a cup of soup. They really like taking this stuff for lunch, and it's super cheap. So I bought some 2 roast chicken and a chicken flavor. These came free with their homemade vanilla wafers. Never tried them before, but they came free with something else, so the girls can take that for snack. I bought another Orville Redenbacher Smart Pop. This is 3 points. It's a snack size. We're going to the movies tomorrow, so I will be bringing my own popcorn, which is probably against all the rules. But you know what? Movie popcorn, I don't know how many points it is, so I'm going to be bringing my own. A couple Powerade Zeros. I got the strawberry and a grape. Some, oh, okay. That fell right out. Did you see this? The tortillas fell right out. Of its package. Anyway, I bought 2 of the Mission Carb Balance flour tortillas. That's strange. Yeah, we'll have to take them back because it doesn't even look like it was sealed. I didn't even notice that. Or maybe it was sealed and it ripped open. Anyway, I bought 2 of those. You can have 1 tortilla for 1 point, which is cool whenever you're craving like a breakfast taco or whatever. Some golden delicious potatoes to mix it up. Last time we got russet. I just want to try this time. Fat-free cheddar, you can have 1/4 of a cup for 0 points. I also wanted to try this farfalle, the Protein Plus, to see how many points it was for a 2-ounce serving in comparison to regular pasta. So I got that. Taco shells for tacos for the girls one night. The light country crock. I have not been using regular, this is margarine, but I haven't been using butter. I've been using the spray butter, but the girls like margarine, so I picked up that. Some plain whipped cream cheese, some of the Thomas light multigrain English muffins. These are 3 points for 1. You can either do little mini pizzas or just to have for breakfast in the morning. Eggs, we were completely out. I thought I would give these a try. They didn't look awful as far as serving size. 1/3 of the bag, I'm guessing, is going to be about 3 or 4 points as like a little side dish. It's just a microwavable little potato. And they were on sale for $1, so I picked up 1 to check it out. We'll see how they are. Picked up a couple of healthy choice meals. I like to have these on hand for quick lunches or like if I'm going to work to take them with me. I got the unwrapped burrito bowl and the sweet and spicy Asian style noodle bowl. I believe they were both 7 points. This one's 8 points, that one's 7. So I got those. Some rice cakes. I've been loving those as like a, I think those are 1 point each. And then with the sea salt hummus, this came free. I was buying this and the vanilla wafers came free with this. I've been enjoying this on top of that as like a little sweet treat. And it's 5 points, I believe, for 2 of them, which isn't bad. Some tostadas for taco night. Fat-free cream cheese for a recipe. Light sour cream for a recipe. I should have bought fat-free. I didn't even think about that. Couple things of turkey pepperoni. Some Baby Bell light cheese. I believe this is 1 point. And then some light string cheese, which is also 1 point. Some Faye Total Greek yogurt, the 0%, which is free. This is to make 2 ingredient dough. Some of the Light and Fit original Greek yogurt. These are 2 points a piece, I believe. And I got the strawberry banana. Milk for the girls. Some ice cream, which probably needs to go in the freezer. The red velvet. I don't know how many points this is, but it looks pretty good for 1/2 of a cup. I'm guessing it's like 3 or 4 points. And I used it to go on top of my Fiber One brownies I bought at Walmart the other day. And then some Enlightened Vanilla Dark Chocolate Almond little bars. Again, I don't know how many points those are, but I'll find out. Some waffles for the girls. That was all I got for the fridge / pantry, which, like I said, not a lot of it was for the pantry. This is everything I got fresh wise, so it's quite a bit. I'm gonna go quick. I have a two small 3-pound bags of the Gala apples. They were on sale for $2.50, so I picked up 2 bags. Those are the ones that the girls take for snack, or if they're having one at home, I prefer them to have that size so they don't waste them. So I bought 2 of those. 1 cantaloupe, which looks a little weird, but it's a cantaloupe. one spaghetti squash. What I did last time, I cut it in half. I cooked one half of it and I had dinner that night plus leftovers for the next day, and then I put the other half in the fridge. And then when I was ready, I cooked the other half in just my little toaster oven back there. And again, I ate half of it for that meal and put the other half as leftovers. So 4 meals for this spaghetti squash for me. Nobody else likes it, so it worked out really great. Papaya for Andres, some mangoes. I don't know how much these were, but they smelled really good. Green little mini apples for the girls as well. Blueberries, we really like having this in our yogurt or in oatmeal. 2 pineapples, I'm gonna let them set out so hopefully they ripen a little bit better. Some zucchini for zoodles. Bananas. Anybody see the other bunch of bananas we got? Oh, right there. I got one a little more green, one ready to eat right now. Strawberries, I hated to buy these because they were $3.50 for a pound, which is ridiculous. Normally I can get them for about $1.75, but I've been wanting strawberries and they're not super in season right now, which is why they're so expensive, but I got some anyway. 2 big things of red grapes, which is what Andres wanted, and the girls like those. A big honeydew, we've never had one of these at home before, so we're gonna try that. 2 big things of green grapes, which is what I wanted, and the girls will really eat either. The large navel oranges were 97 cents a pound, so I bought a whole bunch of those to go with our tahini, and then 2 grapefruits for myself. Celery sticks with either like PB2 peanut butter or for the girls to take for snack. A couple of sweet potatoes. The mandarins, this is what the girls really eat. They're easy for them to take in their lunches or for snack because they can peel them pretty easily. And then these grapes were not on sale, but I really wanted some. They're the cotton candy grapes. So they're like $5 a pound, which is crazy. Those bananas. And then I bought some larger gala apples for myself and Frances. The only frozen vegetable I got was green peas. I still have some corn, green beans, broccoli, and mixed veggies in the freezer, so I'll have to pick up the large bags next time, but I still have some. I just don't have any green peas and I've been wanting some, so I picked up that. A large broccoli floret. Can I help you? You smell all the fresh food. A big thing of broccoli. I like to have a fresh one on hand for salads or to steam, but I also keep a frozen one in the freezer. Some baby spring mix for salads. A bunch of large pears. The girls like taking these. Andres likes having this with the tahini as well. Some of the Aurora Bites, the mini peppers. I have been loving what I do with the chicken and the peppers for like chicken fajitas. You can have them with a taco, but if you've been following my vlogs, I like to put it as like a chicken fajita bowl. So good. And I can get like, I'll use half of these peppers for one meal, half of these peppers for another meal. So I only got the one. Another thing of carrots. I normally like buying some of this stuff at Costco, but I don't know when we'll be at Costco. So a big thing of carrots for the girls and for myself to snack on. Big thing of salad. 2 things of the angel hair coleslaw to go with my turkey sausage. A big thing of fresh green beans, again for dinners and stuff like that. Now meats. Meats was like a pretty good sized bulk of what we spent. The tilapia fillets, the 4-pound bag is about $14, which is a great price. So we got that. I bought 3 things of shrimp. So for each meal, like I said, we've been doing zoodles with the Alfredo sauce with the shrimp. And we get about 3 meals out of, like, for myself, for Andres, if we're all eating, we almost need 2 bags. And these are $5 each. So that was $15. The ground chicken breast, I bought 3 of those. That was about $10 for the 3 of them. The ground turkey, the 99% one, are $4 each. So what did I say? 14, 29, 39, and these were 4 each, so 51. And then I got some turkey bacon, which was like 2 something each, so that's 46. Is that what we were at? I don't even remember. And then Andres got some beef. What happened? Is she okay? You okay? So he got some beef chuck style ribs for $8, and then some skirt steak for $12. And then I got 3 packs of chicken. So the meat cost about $85, which again is a large part of what we spent today. But I'm just really surprised everything cost this much. Anyway, normally you guys see my hauls. I can get away with like $250, $280 and have this much food. For whatever reason today it was more expensive. So 3 packs of chicken, they were all around $5 each and like right around 2.25 to 2.5 pounds. And they're just the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And I like to have them like this because I can feed us 2 times with this, which is pretty good. So what I've been doing is cooking the whole family pack, which you can see is pretty good size, the whole 2.5 pounds. And when I cook the whole 2.5 pounds, I use part of it for a meal that night and part of it for a meal another night. So yes, that is what I got for $368. Okay, now as always, the daunting task of putting it all away. But our fridge and everything was so bare. I mean, we have 0 fruit in here. 0. This is lemon and limes. I have 1 little lonely orange, which is probably not even good anymore. So I am going to put all this away, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.